Hello and welcome. Today we are going to cover the Slack integration in InstaWP. And InstaWP is a service that allows you to quickly launch your own disposable WordPress instance in under 1 minute. This service has amazing free and pro features that you can go ahead and check out on their website at instawp.io. Okay, so we're here at the Slack documentation page, and I will leave a link to this in the description as well. And if you want to add InstaWP to Slack, you would need to have a Slack account with an active workspace. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this link, which will be in the description as well. So the link will take you to this page where you can go ahead and click on the Add to Slack button. Okay, so this is the point where you enter your workspace Slack URL. So just type your URL in this box. So I'm going to go ahead and type mine. Once you're done, click on the Continue button. Okay, so now you need to log into your workspace. You have the option to use Google, your Apple ID, or you can use your email address and password. I'm going to go ahead and use Google since I'm already logged in. Okay, so now we need to go ahead and give the InstaWP app permission to access our Slack workspace. So once you agree to this, click on the Allow button at the bottom of the page. Okay, so now you should be on this confirmation page. We don't need this at all, so I'm going to go ahead and close this tab. Now let's go ahead and open Slack. Now I'm going to click out of this menu, and here under Apps, we have InstaWP. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate how you can create a WordPress instance from any chat. It could be a direct message or a channel chat by simply typing /WP. Okay, so watch when I click on the Send button, the app instantly generates a WordPress instance and provides the credentials. And as always, we have a convenient Access Now button that we can click to take us to our WordPress dashboard instantly. Okay, so now you know how to install the InstaWP Chrome extension as well as the Slack app.